Here at BRECOflex, we have your back. This backing is Porol. Porol is a black, closed-cell cellular rubber with a density between 160 to 200 kilograms per cubic meter. It has a coefficient of friction of 1.6. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. Porol is bonded to the timing belt with a strong industrial adhesive using a butt joint. It can be ground to in-between thicknesses, but it is not recommended for machining. Porol comes in standard thicknesses of 3, 5, and 10 millimeters. The recommended minimum pulley diameters are listed here. It is recommended for general conveying of delicate materials or when compression of the backing is important. It is resistant to water, seawater, methanol, acetone, detergents, acids, and alkalis. It has a temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, or -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.